Have you ever heard of a tool in the world of artificial intelligence becoming so smart that it could automatically handle complex decision-making? Technologies owned by big corporations are advancing at a crazy pace. What's happening now is something we might have once only seen in sci-fi movies. A smart system interacting with humans through communication, but now it's completely real. The dark side of this is that what the general public gets is always far weaker than reality. And these systems have definitely become much smarter in controlling us, and even in the military industry. Yet ordinary people will never realize it. And the further we go, the more jobs get threatened, including those in experimental sciences and medicine. 1. Algorithmic and architectural improvements. The main significance of GPT-5 lies in its new architecture. A unified intelligence system that automatically switches in the background between the fast model GPT-5 main and the more thoughtful, detailed model GPT-5 thinking, based on detecting the complexity of the question and the context of the conversation. This smart routing has replaced the manual selection of different models, resulting in a smoother and more efficient experience. In addition, GPT-5 has made significant progress in reducing hallucinations, better routing of complex questions, and more accurate responses in writing, coding, and healthcare. 2. Data quality and training enhancements. For GPT-5, OpenAI has focused on tighter alignment with factual answers and producing higher quality responses. The model has been updated with 5,000 hours of safety testing and the addition of mechanisms like safe completions, which ensure that instead of fully refusing, when faced with inappropriate questions, it provides safer responses. In addition, GPT-5 has been trained during its learning phase to perform better at recognizing its limitations, meaning it can say, "I don't know," when necessary. 3. Expanded input handling. One of GPT-5's remarkable milestones is its ability to handle an extremely large context window, up to 256K tokens in the chat version and up to 400K tokens in the API. This means GPT-5 can analyze long conversations, massive documents, or large code bases without losing context. Additionally, the persistent memory feature has been added, allowing it to remember important information from previous chats. This is practical in a world where a model's memory isn't just momentary, enabling it to continue its behavior in future sessions. 4. Safety, personalization, and real-world use. GPT-5 offers new personality modes like Cynic, Robot, Listener, and Student to adapt its tone to the user's preference. In specialized domains like healthcare, the model acts as an active thought partner, meaning it identifies potential risks and asks questions to provide more accurate help. Most importantly, OpenAI has released mini and nano versions of GPT-5 for free or lightweight access, showing its commitment to democratizing AI. So, we've seen the 4 main pillars. 1. Intelligent, automated architecture for reasoning models. 2. Optimized data and training methods to boost accuracy and safety. 3. Massive text processing ability with conversation context retention. 4. Security, personal adaptability, and lightweight versions for everyone. Now I want to know, which pillar do you think will have the biggest impact on the future of GPT-5 and your job? Or do you think another change is needed to make this model truly different? I'm waiting in the comments to talk about this future with you.